Hi, I'm Rebecca with Olivia, Parker, Shelby, Olivia, and Holden. I want you to imagine walking through an art gallery filled with stunning creativity. Each paint strip, each choice of color, reflects the work of an intelligent artist. Now, imagine claiming this art appeared by chance, without a purpose. Would that be reasonable? Likewise, the complexity of life and the universe suggests the work of a creator rather than random occurrences. Today, I will be presenting why a creator is a rational and credible explanation for our existence, challenging the notion that life comes from evolution and natural processes. Understanding this viewpoint is important because it impacts science, faith, and our view on life's purpose. I am credible to be giving this speech because I have researched various scientific and theological sources, including work from renowned scholars in cosmology, biology, and philosophy, to provide a wider perspective of creationalism. A preview of my main points I will be talking today about is number 1, the complexity of life points to an intelligent designer. Number 2, scientific evidence supports the creationalism addresses. And number 3, evolutionary theory has gaps that creationalism also addresses. Let's begin by examining how the intricate design of life suggests the presence of a creator. The complexity of life points to an intelligent designer. The fine-tuning of the universe, such as precise values of physical constants, makes life possible. Scientists like physicist Paul Davies argues that 67% of people believe these conditions are too precise to be coincidental. Number 2, biological structures. Biological structures also have evidence of creationalism. In Bay, Darwin's black box, made in 1966, says, the human eye and DNA exhibit irreducible complexity, meaning they could not have been designed.
I hope the wrap's open.
Scientific discoveries also lend to a strong support of the idea of creationalism. Scientific evidence supports creationalism. The Cambrian explosion, as Meyer, the author of Darwin's Doubt, in 2013, defines it as a period when diverse life forms suddenly appeared. This contradicts the gradual change predicted by evolution. The law of biogenesis, stated by Pasteur in 1861, life only comes from life, contradicting the spontaneous generation required by evolution. While science provides evidence for creation, it also highlights flaws in evolutionary theory. The evolutionary theory has fundamental gaps. One of the gaps in evolutionary theory is huge. Miss Billington, my 9th grade biology teacher, called this transitional fossils. This teacher had said the fossils records lacked transitional forms necessary to support microevolution. A secondary proof is the belief of evolutionary theory has gaps is told by Stanford on his study of genetic entropy. Natural selection does not generate new complex biological information, but instead degrades existing information. My conclusion is a summary of my main points. Number 1, the complexity of life points to an intelligent designer. Number 2, scientific evidence supports the creation model. And number 3, evolutionary theory has fundamental gaps. This evidence from philosophy, science, and morals supports creationalism as a logical explanation for our existence. Rejecting it as pure chance overlooks the science of an intelligent design. As no one would believe a painting came into existence without an artist, the intricate design of life and the universe clearly point to a masterful creator. The only question left is if we are willing to acknowledge the evidence before us.